So let's begin with chapter number 16 of English, and the name of the chapter is the prepositions. So we all are aware of prepositions, that pre plus position, that means they are telling us very clearly कि ये हमें noun और pronoun की positions के बारे में बताते हैं, right? So for knowing the further information, let us begin with the chapter. So, a preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show in what relation the person or thing denoted by it stands in regard to something else. Right? कि preposition एक ऐसा word है जो कि noun या pronoun से पहले place किया जाता है ताकि हम दिखा सकें क्या relation, what relation the person और thing, कि person और thing के बीच में क्या relation है और कि वो किस रिगार्ड में वो किसी और चीज से कनेक्टेड है, राइट? नेक्स्ट वी हैव द काइंड्स ऑफ प्रीपोजिशंस. अब काइंड्स ऑफ प्रीपोजिशंस कितने होते हैं? सो प्रीपोजिशंस आर ऑफ द फॉलोइंग काइंड्स. द फर्स्ट वन इज द सिंपल प्रीपोजिशंस. सो दीज आर द सिंपल इन नेचर. ये प्रीपोजिशंस नेचर में बहुत ज़्यादा सिंपल होती हैं, जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल एट, बाय, फॉर, फ्रॉम, इन, of, on, out, through, till, to, up, with, etc. right? उसी के बाद आता है हमारा compound prepositions. अब compound prepositions क्या है? These prepositions are formed by prefixing a preposition to a noun, an adjective or an adverb. For example, about, above, across, along, among, amongst, around, before, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, beyond, inside, outside, underneath, within, without, etc. right? ये सभी prepositions हैं जो कि हम compound prepositions के नाम से जानते हैं, जिनमें हम कुछ ना कुछ prefix लगा देते हैं ताकि हम prefix कर देते हैं preposition to a noun, adjective or an adverb, right? Next we have a box. Let's read it. A stands for an and B for by in the above prepositions. तो यहाँ पर जो भी A है वो an के लिए stand करता है और B जो है वो by के लिए stand करता है ऊपर जितनी भी prepositions हैं उन सब में, right? Next we have the prepositional phrases. अब prepositional phrases क्या है? Let's have a look on them. Some of the prepositional phrases are with a view to, according to, on account of, in the event of, instead of, in spite of, in regard of, in reference of, in place of, with regard to, in reference to, in place of, along with, by means of, in accordance with, on behalf of, because of, by virtue of, with reference to, in case of, by dint of, for the sake of, in addition to, in compliance with, in compliance of, in comparison to, in consequence of, in course of, in favor of, owing to, or agreeable to, right? So all these are the prepositional phrases. I hope you all are clear with them and you all have learned more about the kinds of the prepositions also. So that was all about the chapter. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.